and dreamers. We gather today not to shy away from a topic we often read, but to embrace it, to understand it, and to ultimately harness its immense power. I am here to talk about failure. Now I know what you might be thinking. Failure stepping stone. That sounds like trying to build a skyscraper with crude bricks and wobbly ladders. But I am here to tell you with every fiber of my being that failure is not the end of journey. It is the very foundation upon which success is built. Think about it. Has anyone ever achieved anything truly remarkable without encountering setbacks? Imagine an astronaut floating in the inky blackness of space. Do you think their first launch was perfect? Probably not. There were likely countless simulations, tests that failed, rockets that sputtered, and engineers who had to go back to the drawing board. Each of those failures was not a defeat, it was a lesson, it was a data, it was a crucial piece of information leading them closer to triumphant moment. Consider the greatest inventors, the most brilliant scientists, the most inspiring artists. Do their biographies read like a smooth, uninterrupted ascent? Absolutely not. They are filled with stories of experimentation, of trial and error, of doors slammed shut. Thomas Edison, a man synonymous with innovation, famously said, I have not failed 10,000 times. I have successfully found 10,000 ways that won't work. That, my friends, is the mind-blowing perspective shift we need. Failure is a scarlet letter of shame. It is a badge of courage. It means you tried. It means you dare to step outside your comfort zone. It means you are brave enough to put yourself out there, knowing the risk of falling. And in that act of bravery, you have already won a significant battle. Think of a baby learning to walk. They stumble, they fall, they bump their heads. Do they give up? No. They get back up, a little wobbly, a little bruised, but with a renewed determination. Each fall teaches them about balance, about coordination, about the way their bodies work. They learn from their stumbles and eventually they take those first precious steps, then a run, then a leap. Failure is the teacher and their ultimate success is the reward. In our own lives, every time we encounter a setback, we have a choice. We can let it crush us, define us, and send us scurrying back into the shadows. Or we can choose to look at it with a different lens. We can ask ourselves, what did I learn from this? What could I have done differently? How can I use this experience to be stronger, smarter, and more resilient? These questions, posed with honesty and a willingness to grow, are the true architects of success. Failure, when embraced, becomes our most potent teacher. It hones our skill, sharpens our focus, and builds within us an unshakable resilience that no smooth sailing could ever replicate. The fear of failure can be paralyzing. It can keep us from even starting. But remember, the biggest failure is the failure of staying down. So next time you face challenge that feels insurmountable, remember this, you are not falling. You are leveling up. You are gathering experience. You are gaining wisdom. You are following the path to something even greater. Embrace the stumbles, learn from the falls. Let each challenge be a stepping stone, meticulously placed, leading you higher and higher towards your own magnificent success. The world remembers those who persevere, those who learn, and those who, despite the falls, always find a way to rise. Go forth, be brave, and let your failures be the launchpad for your greatest triumphs. Thank you.